Today, we will talk about how to build raised vegetable garden beds. Let's have a look at the details. Building a raised garden box to grow food for your family is a fun project and a healthy way to provide produce. It will save you money, time, and involves lesser effort than digging an in-ground garden plot. This is great for all ages. The kids can learn how food is grown starting with seeds. The first method is standard wood boxes. Find the location where you plan to put the box. When you have decided the place, position the box and dig out holes for the corner post. Prepare your wood posts. Use 4x4 pieces of lumber. These will be used for the corners of the boxes. Cut them to be at least the same height or several inches deeper than the box. If your boxes are going to be longer than 8 foot, you will want to add to center posts on the long sides. Cut the side walls. Using 2x4s, cut boards for the 2 long sides, equal to the distance from the far edge of one corner post to the far edge of the other. Cut the short end boards to be equal to the distance between the far edges of the posts, plus the ends of the long side boards. Drill the boards into place. Use outdoor appropriate screws, 1 to 1.5 inches or decking screws work well. Drill through the boards directly into the posts. Place a barrier cloth. Once the box is set, line the box with 1/2 inches hardware cloth to keep out pests and varmint. Staple or screw the hardware cloth to the sides. Place weed cloth. Next, place some weed cloth on top of the hardware cloth. Staple that to the sides of the box. This is to keep the weeds from growing from below. Add in your soil. Bring in some planting mix for soil. It is usually measured in cubic feet. Have fun watching your garden grow. Make sure to fertilize the soil or rotate types of plants in the boxes to keep the soil fresh. Plan to grow plants that suit the season of the year as well. The second method is recycled metal boxes. Find an old filing cabinet. You want to find an older filing cabinet with a solid bottom. You don't want one that's rusty or in bad shape though. Prepare the filing cabinet. Remove the drawers and also the tracks if you can. Repaint the outside. Line the cabinet. Get a lining material and line the inside of your cabinet. Add your drainage material. Fill with planting soil. Now, fill your filing cabinet with planting soil. Leave about 2 inches at the top. More soil can be filled in if needed once your plants are put in. Grow your veg. Grow or transplant your vegetable plants. Enjoy your colorful, modern garden box. And the third method is garden brick boxes. Purchase the necessary bricks. Think about the size and height that you want the garden bed to be and then buy the amount of garden brick that you find appropriate for that size. Level the ground. Level the ground where you plan to put the bed. Lay out the bricks layer by layer. Line the garden bed. Add a thick liner or a heavy-duty weed liner to the inside of the box. Fill the garden bed. Fill the box with high-quality soil and fertilizers if you want them. Plant your vegetables. Enjoy your new garden beds. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.